Hi guys, how are you? It's great to see you again today on my mobile. I did a little briefing presentation regarding the Apostille theme of another video you can watch on my channel as well. Regarding my birth certificate I received through the post. Regarding the legalization of this document, I required to do bureaucratic paperwork abroad. And basically, there are two types of apostille you can do here in the UK. One is paper-based, like the one I did, where you can send your document through the post. They put like the apostille and they send it back to you. The most important thing with your document, it needs to be an original with in signature. They do not accept photocopies, and you can also send them what is called an e-Apostille. It's a PDF file and it's signed by a UK notary or a solicitor, and basically you upload the documents and they send them to you the same day, and you can use them online for whatever you need to do. The service for the original one, the documents, are 45 per document, and next day services, this is only for businesses, is £40 per document, and you can send them as a bulk. If you have any questions like I had, because I wasn't sure if my birth certificate could be done, send them an email, okay? Before you spend the money, do it, okay? I wasn't sure if they were going to reply, but they did. It took them like 3-4 days, and they replied. They sent me all the answers to all the questions I had, so I advise you to do so if you have any. So if we go to their page of the legalizations, which we can do in this moment, if the page wants to open, which it doesn't want to do right now. So let's see, why not? Now it does. Okay, here it is. So basically, here in the overview, I did simplify, okay? You have lots of info there, okay? And basically, if we go down to the prices, the e-Apostille is a bit cheaper, 35. If you want it the same day, 100, okay? So if we go to the part that says apply for legalization, okay, get your credit card ready, press start now, and you get the two options I told you, if it's paper, okay, or electronic, and just follow the procedure, and it's that simple. I'll leave a copy of this presentation below. Take care, have a great day and a great business day.